Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear Sindhi students, असां हिन पार्ट बी में जंहिंमें खाधनि जा नाला कुझु शयुनि जा नाला ॾिसंदासीं ऐं असां सां गॾु आहे असांजी Miss Jean Jerauld. And welcome back, Miss Jean Jerauld, and thank you so much for your time once again. I really appreciate you taking out this time and your contribution. This will be very much remembered. You can wave to the Sindhi students. They are back in Sindh. Now we see you have vegetables. Aj Miss Jean kuch bhajin ja nala pan ke budhaindi. Bhaji means vegetables for us.
Okay.
So tell us, what do we have and what are we looking at, ma'am?
This is a carrot.
Okay, and tell us also that is it homegrown carrot or is it from the farm?
It's from the farm.
It's from the farm, okay. Carrot we call gajar.
Gajar.
Yeah, so this one is a small one, so I would say it's a baby carrot for
Yes.
our students.
Yes.
Hi nandhi gajar ahe jeka ta diso pya. And then what else do we have here?
We have cherry tomatoes.
Cherry tomatoes, we call them still tomato.
Tomato.
Yeah, in Sindhi we call it tomato.
And these are homegrown.
Oh, these are homegrown.
Yes.
He Miss Jean penje ghar mein pokya ahin. Ghar means home. So I'm saying that you grew these at your home. Okay, great. So those are, we call them tomatoes. We actually call them tomato in Sindh. And obviously in English we call them tomatoes, or these ones chote nandha ante inan ke cherry tomato chandan ma eta khani dekhano do te so nandro a small size inan ke hite chandan cherry tomatoes pan vari vichana si nandho tomato. Okay, great. What else do we have?
This is a Brussels sprout.
Oh yes, we were discussing about the Brussels sprout. He nandhi gobi jo ekro kisima ब्रॉक्सल बि चवंदा आहिनि इनखे, पर ही छो त वेस्टर्न आहे त असां वटि मुंहिंजे हिसाब सां त हिनखे वरी नंढी गोभी चइबो, पर हिते या यूरोप या इंग्लैंड में या यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स अमेरिका में ही जेको आहे हिनखे चवंदा आहिनि ब्रसल स्प्राउट्स जेका आहे उन नंढी गोभी जो क़िस्म आहे. ओके, थैंक यू. What else do you bring to us?
This is okra.
Okra. We call okra bhindi.
Bindi.
Yes.
Very popular in the southern states.
I see. Okay. Very popular in southern states. Murad ahe त ही तमामु मशहूरु या तमामु घणी खाधी वेंदी आहे ॾखण अमेरिका में. असां ॾखण अमेरिका में आहियूं हींअर ह्यूस्टन टेक्सास में. So we call this one bhindi.
Bindi.
Yes, and obviously English में इनखे चवंदा आहिनि okra. And spelling screen te तव्हां ॾिसंदा ऐं लिखिजो बि ज़रूरु. Okay, what else do we have, ma'am?
This is a small red potato.
Okay, ही रुगो डिस्प्ले जे लाइ या मतिलबु ॾेखारण जे लाइ ऐं तव्हांजे लेसन्स जे लाइ ही स्मॉल साइज़ आहे, पर ही पटाटो आहे, पाण जेके पटाटो चवंदा आहियूं. ही वरी रेड पटाटो आयो, ॻाढ़ो पटाटो. Is this from the farm or did you grow that?
Oh no, that's from the farm.
Farm. Okay, great. Nice. Okay, and finally what do we have these
This
here?
is sweet peas.
Sweet peas. We call them matar.
Mutter.
Matar.
Mutter.
Yeah, let's imagine the spelling to be M-U-T-T-E-R.
Mutter.
Matar. And matar ke English mein chaibo ahe peas or sweet peas या green peas. Okay, all right, thank you. What else do we have?
This is squash. Sometimes
Squash.
called summer squash.
Okay, summer squash बि चवंदा आहिनि. पाण ही आहे कद्दू जो ई क़िस्म आहे ऐं हिते इनखे चवंदा आहिनि समर स्क्वाश या इनखे अमेरिकन स्क्वाश बि चवंदा आहिनि, जेको गूगल में तव्हां ॾिसंदव त तव्हां ही मिलंदो. Okay, that's summer squash. We call that thing kaddu. Yeah, the squash. Yeah, kaddu. That's the example of that. Okay, what else do we have?
This is an avocado.
Okay, avocado. Avocado is some fruit that is not common in Pakistan, so we don't have this. but obviously as a foreign fruit, it is known. It's popular. People know it. Those who can afford it. Is usually very expensive because it's imported in Pakistan.
And it grows in very warm climates here.
Acha, okay, so it's grown here.
Here, yes.
Okay. हिते थे बि थो एवोकाडो. इहो फ्रूट आहे. सैलेड्स में बि इस्तेमालु थींदो आहे, पर इन नालो एवोकाडो या छो त पाण वटि इन जो नस्ल कोन थो थिए वारो. Okay, great. And what do we have here?
Finally, a beet.
बीट, जेके पाण बीट रूट बि चवंदा आहियूं ऐं सलादनि में तव्हां ॾिसंदा ॻाढ़ो जेको हूंदो आहे. In salads we use it a lot.
Yes, cooked.
Normally no, raw and
Okay.
grated or chopped, and it's called chukandar.
Chukanda.
Yeah, chukandar. Usually it's in salads. It's very healthy, of course, we understand that. But yeah, so thank you for bringing these to us, Miss Jean, once again. And we'll continue to learn. And your contribution is very important. It will always be remembered. I can do that too, but it's good to have you join us in the teaching our Sindhi students English words, so that they can better communicate in their life as they grow. And I really appreciate it.
I look forward to next time.
We'll meet in next lesson. Thank you.